Today we have this 2021 Hyundai Creta. This has DPF problem right now, so we will be solving this using Graphenizer suit flush. So you can see right now the DPF suit level is around 104%. Okay, 104%. This is the reason why this car is not able to like ref properly. The car is it's not regenerating. Okay, so the customer came to us, and right now we are starting the procedure with Graphenizer 2. Come, let me show you how it's done. So what he's doing is if you're shaking the model properly, he'll open your engine oil tanks. So the customer has already changed the engine oil around 2000 kilometers before. This is 10,000 kilometers engine oil. So when you add engine oil additive like Graphene 2, you'll be getting up to 2 times life. So you can drive this up to 20,000 kilometers. But right now this is 8,000 kilometers, so you can drive around 16,000 kilometers. Okay. So this is going to go inside your tank right now. It's going to create a layer of graphene. And this layer of graphene is going to reduce the friction in your car. So there will be less friction between your moving parts. So because there is less friction, there will be lesser load. And because there is lesser load, there will be better performance and better mileage. And at the same time, the engine will be cooler. And at the same time, you will start noticing that the engine oil's life has increased, and at the same time, your engine's life has increased. Okay, so every time you get an oil change, you want to make sure that you put Graphenizer. You can get it on Amazon, Flipkart, or even Graphenizer.com. Okay, and right now in this package, there is one Graphenizer 2 body in this car. So we'll be using one body. These are small products, so yeah, you'll be getting a bigger body. Okay, so let's move on to the next step. So right now we're doing Graphenizer 1 process. Shake this properly, open up your diesel tank or your petrol tank. Right now the fuel has to be in reserve. So right now the fuel is on reserve, and now I'm going to pour this inside my tank. Okay. So right now we wait for this to go into the tank, and then we are going to go for a drive of about 10 kilometers to 15 kilometers. After driving 10 to 15 kilometers, you will notice that the car's pickup is better, the performance is better. Why? Because this is going inside your tank, and it'll start going to your injectors, your nozzles, your pistons, your valves, your wash pump, and start cleaning all of that. Okay. So in this package you have around 3 of these bottles, so we're pouring all 3, and then we're going to go for a drive. So keep watching. So right now we're doing Graphenizer 1 process. Shake this properly, open up your diesel tank or your petrol tank. Right now the fuel has to be in reserve, so right now the fuel is on reserve, and now I'm going to pour this inside my tank. Okay. So right now we're doing Graphenizer 3 process. So shake it properly, open your tank, diesel or petrol. The procedure is the same. Okay. So it doesn't matter if the tank is full or low or half tank. The procedure is the same for Graphenizer 3. Just pour this inside the tank. So in this package you get around 2 bottles or 1 bottle depending on which package you took. So you want to use all those bottles, okay? And that's it. This is the process. Now what you're going to be getting with this is this will go inside your tank. It will start boiling your unburned fluid. It will start cleaning your bacteria, and you will start getting up to 50% mileage increase because of this one product. Okay, and if you use it regularly, it will start cleaning your injectors. So that also helps your car from getting a longer life. And over time, if you're using this regularly, you don't even need to do any of this carbon flush or any of this, because there will be no carbon accumulation. So that's how amazing this product is. So after doing it for the first time, we recommend using all the bottles that are given to you first time. Then after that, what you're going to do is every full tank you want to pour half of the bottle. Okay, half bottle every full tank. And yeah, so you can get this on Amazon, Flipkart, or even Graphenizer.com. This is an important product, and you want to be using this regularly. Okay. Right now we're using Graphenizer suit flush. Okay, so here's Graphenizer suit flush. So because this car is DPF fully blocked, right? So we are using this product, or else we use Graphenizer carbon flush. Okay, so make sure if the car is fully blocked, you have to use suit flush, not carbon flush. Checking how much it adds to how is the flow. When you see that the flow is really good, then all you're going to do is you're going to let it sit for like around 15 minutes and add a little bit more, figure out how the flow is. Then what you're going to do is you're going to start the car and let the flush come out. Okay, so sometimes it comes out as liquid, sometimes it comes out as gas. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to reset and you're going to regenerate, and then your car is set. As you can see, this is 3% right now, DPF suit, and it's showing DPF regeneration required. So this car is done. We are conducting reset of the car. As you can see over there is no check engine light anymore, no DPF light as well. So we are going to reset, and then we are going to do regeneration, and after that the procedure will be done. So you could do the same thing if your car has DPF fully blocked problem. This is a solution for you, and you can get this pack for your car on Amazon, Flipkart, or even Graphenizer.com. Okay.